Good evening traders, welcome to 200forexpips.com. Okay guys, in this video I'm going to talk about the swing trading that we used to do. Most of the professional traders are basically not the day traders, they are into the swing trades, and I'm going to talk about these swings, that how these swings occur in the market. Okay, so first of all, look at the USD Canadian dollar 1 hour chart. Then you can clearly see that the market has dropped to the maximum. It looks like that we have a big drop on USD Canadian dollar and market has touched the lowest point. Okay, so how you can take the benefit from this swing? So first of all, I'm going to attach the Fibonacci indicator that I have talked about, the this indicator in my previous video, that I'm providing this indicator. Okay, now first of all, look, the 0% level, it has set up to it has set up the 0% level as 131710, and this is the lowest point. For example, let's say if USD Canadian drops further, and then it will set up the lowest point. That also repaints it. It does not mean that if it has given the 0% level, then this is the 100% level. No, it can change, but overall this is the time to take the swing, because if you look at here, then the 100% price says that I'm up to here, and the 0% price says that the sellers can exit from the market as per the swing. So that's what Fibonacci is suggesting on USD Canadian dollar, that we can expect a buy swing here. So the buy swing can go up to 23.6%. If it breaks the 23.6%, then the next level is 38.2, and vice versa. You can say that if it keep on breaking the levels, then it will go up. Okay, now I'm going to attach the 200 Forex Pips system so that we can understand with this that how it's working here. Okay, now look at here, the candle is closed above the middle dotted line. So it is a message that whenever you see that the candles are closing above the dotted middle line, then it's a clear message that the market can go further up. So also, if you look at here, it has if you are using Fibonacci with the 200 Forex Pips system, then it's suggesting you that the price can reverse from this level, and it's the first target is 132042, and then if it breaks, then it can go to 38.2 level. Okay, now looking at the 4-hour chart, you can see that the market today has touched 61.8 level, and after that it's making the bullish pattern. So this retracement level is working here. And if we go to the monthly chart, and let me show you one thing, that you can see what the candle is closed up to now. It's 20th of February 2019, and in 20 days the candle is still bullish. It does not went into the bearish manner. So it was pumped high up to here, then it has a drop, and still it is settled up to here. So maybe there are chances that that candle will go up, and if we properly make the trend line for a USD Canadian dollar, then the trend line says that the market is into the upward direction. So it means that we are following the trend. So definitely we have a drop on USD Canadian dollar on the 1-hour chart. If you look, that the price has gone down to the maximum, but we can expect that from here the market can boost. And this is how you will use this analysis on different pairs. And guys, just make sure that whenever you are doing the swing trading, then your lot size should be maximum up to 0.10. If your account size is big, then you can set up it like 0.30, 0.40, or even up to 0.50. But I recommend that those traders who have the trading accounts up to $5,000, they should use 0.02, 0.03, or maximum 0.05, so that you can catch the swing, so that and you can hold the swing too, because it's very important. It does not mean within an hour you are going to take the profit. Swing trading means that your trade can even go up to 10 days, 5 days, 6 days, and sometimes it gives the profits within the 2 to 3 days. And sometimes if we see the sudden upward momentum, then it gives the profits within no time. So just make sure that when we talk about the swing trading, then we must know that the swing trading means that we must have patience, and we must keep the stop loss also very far. That's not a problem. You should hold your trades with patience, and this is how you can take the benefit from the trading system. Okay, let's attach the scalper, and I'm just going to check that what scalper is giving the signal here. Okay, now look at here. at the 0% level also the scalper has given the white signal to buy the pair, and it already went up, but still the candle is pumping up. But overall, you know that this market works on the basis of technical analysis as well as it includes the fundamental analysis. I'm not going to talk about the fundamentals because fundamentals can also drop the USD Canadian dollar, but if we talk about the technical analysis, then USD Canadian dollar seems to be up if we talk about the swing trading. And this is, guys, just about the analysis for today. Okay guys, moreover, you know very well about my services. If you are looking to subscribe to my daily Forex signal service, if you want to get these trading indicators, if you want to improve your trading technique through my video lessons, or you want to request for Skype one-to-one live coaching, then for all this you need to send your inquiries on info@200forexpips.com. Please like my videos, subscribe my YouTube channel, and share the analysis with other traders. Thank you for watching the video.